Hello everyone. I have created Fleet Management Template in Google Sheets. This template includes different tabs where a team can record maintenance requests, fuel logs, and daily inspection to form, and the records will automatically appear in the table. In the Settings tab, you can update columns such as maintenance status, vehicle status. Assign driver's email, driver's training status. Expense category, different payment methods. Maintenance types and service providers. In the left bottom area, I have included 3 blue buttons. Clicking it during the setup stage will automatically generate the Google Forms in your Google Drive, such as maintenance requests, fuel log, and daily inspections. You can change your business name instead of Fleet Management Template, and the title will be changed on each tab. You can update also vehicle lifecycle in years. The other key IDs and my case blank cells should be placed from your Google Drive. This will identify the folders where the images and data will be stored. First, I will open the Drivers tab where you can record drivers from the sheet form, and the list will appear in the table. Training status in the drop-down menu can be updated in the Settings tab. Also, the list of emails are in the Settings tab. Clicking at the green button will record new row in the table. During the time, you can also update the training status. I will add another driver for this demo purposes. In the beginning of each row are checkboxes. Selecting it will redirect to the driver details page. Here you can see the driver's details in the left area and history in the right area. Below will appear pie chart with driver's requests. Here will appear the driver's different requests, such as fuel log, maintenance requests, and inspection requests. There are linked 3 different tabs into a single tab. Next is vehicle inventory. Similar to driver's list, here you can record new vehicles, and the list will appear in the right table. I'll add some dummy data for this example. Last cell in vehicle image, you can copy the URL from the images from your Google Drive. Similar as Drivers tab, you can select checkbox in the beginning of each row. It will redirect to Vehicle Details tab. Here you can update vehicle details in the yearly basis. So there are included main details, and below are the updated details, which will be recorded in the table in the right area. You can add details such as status in case that you still own the vehicle or you sold it out. You can also update the yearly insurance and registration expiry date. So if we check another record, the details will be different, meaning that each recorded vehicle have different history status according to the ID. In the inspection log, you cannot record details through the Google Sheets. Instead, the users will record details through the Google form. So in the Google form, you fill out the details of the daily inspections, and it will appear in the Google Sheets table. The record will be visible in the Google Sheets table, so multiple users can use the form, and here you can track details of the daily inspections log. I'll record another example with different email account. You can filter by the user email, and it will give only the list of that user. Leave it blank, and it will give the complete list with all daily inspection records. If we return to the Drivers tab and check the details, you will notice that the record has been updated in the driver's history table. Next is Fuel Log tab. Similar to daily inspection, the users can record new row through the Google form. Let's check the driver's history. So this request will also be included in the driver's history. Next is Expense Tracker. The category list in the drop-down menu can be updated in the Settings tab. You can upload the expense file in the Google Drive and link the URL in the last cell manually. Here you can also filter expenses by the vehicle or leave all to give all the list. Next is maintenance log. Similar to fuel log and daily inspection, this table will be visible and filled out through the Google form. In drop-down menu, you can filter results by user email. Leave blank to view all. Here you can also select a checkbox, which will filter results for today's date. Uncheck it to view all the results. Selecting the checkbox in the beginning of the row will redirect tab to Maintenance Log Details. Here you can view the details and also to register new maintenance. Drop-down menus such as maintenance type, service provider, payment method, and driver email can be updated in the Settings tab. Right area small green button will redirect page to the calendar view. You can filter the month and it will give all the maintenance logs during that specific month. And the last tab is Dashboard, where you can view general details of the other tabs. In the top area, I have included scorecard charts counting the maintenance requests, total fuel logs, total expenses amount, total vehicles, total drivers, and total daily inspections. Below are column and bar charts, including the maintenance request by users and maintenance type replaced. And below are table charts for maintenance table, fuel table, and inspection table. Thanks for watching.